Determine the equation of the two tangents to the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 9, which are parallel to the line 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Let us begin. So here, in this problem, let's say we have the circle whose equation is known. We have two lines that are tangent to the circle. So let's say this is the tangent. This is the line tangent to the circle at point A, and we have another line which is tangent to the circle at point B, and both of the two tangents are parallel to a third line having the equation 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. So we need to determine the equation of the two tangents. So what we'll do, we'll start by first considering the equation of the circle. So here we have x squared plus y squared equals to 9, which can be also expressed as 3 squared. This means that the coordinates of the center of the circle, so that's going to be 0, 0. And the radius is going to be 3 units. Now, there's a particular formula. If the center of the circle is centered at the origin, then we can easily determine the equation of the tangent by using the slope form, which is given by y equals to m times x plus or minus r times square root of 1 plus m squared. So plus or minus means that we are going to get two equations, one for each of the two tangent lines. Now, since we already have the radius of the circle, now our next goal will be to obtain the slope of the two tangents line. Luckily for us, it's given here that the two tangents are parallel to the third line, and we know from the properties of straight line that whenever two lines are parallel to each other, they must have equal slope. So that means the slope of this tangent line will be exactly the same as the slope of the straight line that's given to us, and similarly the slope of the other tangent line is also going to be the same as the slope of the line whose equation is given to us. So we start with the equation 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0, and we'll try to find out the slope of this particular line. So we can rewrite the equation in terms of y equals to mx plus c, which is known as the slope intercept form. So we're going to get y equals to negative 2x plus 3, which means that the slope of this line m, so that's going to be the coefficient of x, so that's negative 2. So let's substitute these values into our slope form. So we're going to get y equals to m, so that's negative 2. Negative 2 times x plus or minus r, so r is the radius, so that's 3. 3 will get multiplied to the square root of 1 plus the slope squared, so that's negative 2 squared. Further simplification gives us 2x plus y equals to plus minus 3 times square root of 1 plus 2. Negative 2 squared will be simply 5. So we have square root of 5. So this is going to be the equation of the two tangents which are parallel to the straight line 2x plus y minus 3 equals 0.